how to connect your account with Pitch on Notion, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your account with it. First all you need to do, just click here, just open your browser and then click settings and members, and then here you will find my connections, and now click show all, and then click here you will find Page. Now click connect, and that's it. Now all you need to do, just enter your Pitch account and go back just go back to be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end.